This is called Chasin Buckles. Mentions a lot of rodeo towns. Well, my trailer blew a tire. I was south of Henrietta. Never thought I'd ever make it to Stephenville. This old truck, it's running on fumes, and it sure does seem like I am. I guess we'll try to push each other there. Well, I almost made the finals. I was bucking out of Pecos, and the Cisco kid threw me at 7-8. I ran into old Del Grisby at the stockyard out in Fort Worth. He told me he thought I had what it takes. Out chasing buckles on the circuit. There ain't no part of me right now that ain't hurt. On to the next town before the sundown. Oh, I hope someday to make the NFR. Well, now you got a rare back in the saddle. The old broncs, they'll keep you rattled. You're cinching up inside a metal shoe. I'm just waiting for the turnout. I'm hoping I can ride out, and I'll throw my hat in the air, lift my hands up high. Next weekend it's Amarillo. I'm not sure how I've been feeling, but you can't let the pain shake you when you ride. I left the rodeo girl in Big Spring, and it always seems the same thing. You can't go chasing love when you're chasing buckles out on the circuit. There ain't no part of me right now that ain't hurt. On to the next town before the sundown. Well, I hope someday to make the NFR. Pick one more time. I'm chasing buckles out on the circuit, and there ain't no part of me right now that ain't. On to the next town before the sundown. Oh, I hope someday to make the NFR. I just know someday I'll make the NFR. Oh, it's called Chasing Buckles.